Switzerland is a tapestry of natural wonders, boasting breathtaking landscapes that enchant visitors from around the globe. The Swiss Alps stand as majestic sentinels, with iconic peaks like the Matterhorn and Jungfrau piercing the sky. These mountains provide not only a stunning backdrop but also a playground for outdoor adventures, from skiing and snowboarding in winter to hiking and mountaineering in summer. Nestled amidst the Alps are pristine lakes, such as Lake Geneva and Lake Lucerne, their crystal-clear waters reflecting the surrounding peaks. These tranquil oases offer opportunities for leisurely boat cruises, water sports, or simply basking in the serenity of the surroundings. Scattered throughout the countryside are picturesque valleys dotted with charming villages, each exuding its own unique charm. Quaint chalets, flower-adorned balconies, and winding cobblestone streets add to the allure of these idyllic hamlets. Switzerland's commitment to environmental preservation is evident in its well-preserved wilderness areas, including national parks and nature reserves. These sanctuaries harbor diverse ecosystems, providing refuge for a variety of flora and fauna. The country's efficient public transportation system makes it easy to explore its natural wonders sustainably, whether by train, bus, or boat. With its pristine landscapes, awe-inspiring vistas, and harmonious blend of nature and culture, Switzerland is a veritable paradise for those seeking to reconnect with the beauty of the natural world.